Factors divide exactly into a number without a remainder. So today I'm going to show you how to work out all the factors of a given number. The easiest way to do this is to do your factor pairs and then write all the factors down in a list. So let's have a look at example 1. So we need to find all the factors of 20. So what you need to do is first of all start with your 1 times table and work out how many 1's go into 20. Well, this goes 20 times. So your first factor pair is 1 times 20. So the next times table is your 2 times table. So how many times does 2 go into 20? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So that goes 10 times. So the next factor pair is 2 times 10. So next times table is your 3's. So does that work? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Well, 3 doesn't go into 20, so 3 isn't a factor. So the next times table is your 4's. So we've got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So again, that goes exactly into 20. So we can write that one down. So it goes 5 times. So our next times table is our 5's. So that goes 5, 10, 15, 20. So again, we've got 5 times 4. But you may notice we've already got that one already. So once you've reached your times table which you already got, there won't be any more factors after that, so there's no need to go through any more times tables. So we have 3 factor pairs of 20. So all these numbers here are the factors. So 1's a factor, 2's a factor, 4's a factor, 5's a factor, 10's a factor, and the final factor is 20. So there's 6 factors of 20. Let me do another example. So example 2. So this time we're going to do all the factors of 15. So again, you start off with your 1 times table. How many times does 1 go into 15? Well, that's obvious. It goes 15 times. So 1 times 15 is our first factor pair. Next times table is your 2's. So let's go through our 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 2 doesn't work. So our next times table is the 3's. So let's do 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So that goes 5 times. So 3 times 5 is also a factor pair. Next times table is your 4's. Let's see if that works. 4, 8, 12, 16. No, 4's doesn't work. And then the next times table is your 5's, but you may notice we've already got 5 already as a factor. So once again, once you've reached a factor which you've already got, there won't be any more. So there's no point going through any more times tables. So again, we've got 2 factor pairs and we have 4 factors. So if we just list out the factors in size order. Let's do one last example then. So example 3, let's do all the factors of 16. Okay, so first of all, let's start with our 1's. So again, it'll be 1 times 16. That's quite obvious. So the next times table is your 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So that goes 8 times. So the next times table is your 3's. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 3 doesn't work. So our next times table is the 4's. So 4, 8, 12, 16. So that goes 4 times. So 4 times 4. Next times table is your 5's. Does that work? 5, 10, 15, 20. 5 doesn't work. 6, does that work? 6, 12, 18. 6 doesn't work. Next one is your 7's. 7, 14, 21. Doesn't work. Next times table is the 8's, but you may have noticed we've already got 8 in our list of factors already. So we can stop here. So you won't be able to find any more once you've reached one you've already got. So we just list these factors out in size order. There's only need to put one of the 4's down. So there are 5 factors of 16.